I used to be up in the nail salon every 2-3 weeks getting these type of nail designs, swapping them out, dropping 100, 150 until I realized I was spending roughly about $250 a month just on my nails. And in this day and age and now in this time, I need to allocate that money elsewhere. Hey Glam dolls, I'm here today to share with you all a few packs of artificial nails that I purchased by shopping in my local beauty supply stores. I'm going to start by digging in this bag. That's what's going to make this as much fun for me as it should be for you waiting to see what nail designs that Glam find this time. Yes, this time. So anyway, if you're a newbie, you know, passing through, seeing me for the very first time, welcome to the channel. My name is Glam. I'm all about being a beauty on a budget who loves not breaking her bank for a fabulous look. So I highly encourage that you hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications. That way you are never miss an upload, okay? Which ones do I want to show y'all first? Oh my god. You know what? We're gonna go with the Glam Fantasy collection, because if you're an official Glam doll, which means you are a subscribed Glam doll, you already know anything with the word glam in it, my fingertips be all over it. And this time it's literally because they artificial nails. So these are the Glam Fantasy collection, and the first one's up I have to show you is part of the Ultimate Illusion nails that's given an amazing gel look finish with an ultra smooth finish without that salon gel look course. And these are all three of them together, and how they look similar but they're not the same. Just similar in colors but they're not the same. But I love all three of these designs right here. Bang. Oh, and going back to, like I said, so many of you have asked me before about what nail glue would I prefer to use. I honestly would, if I had to, I would use the pink gel glue that comes with the artificial nails, or I will purchase pink gel glue. I don't use regular nail glue that's runny and, you know, that's real, like real thin and runny. The pink gel glue comes out super thick and it lasts on the nail very, very long. When I use the pink gel glue, the nail can last me anywhere up to easy 14 days, 15 days or so, or until I decide to take it off. But like I told you early in the video, I now switch into using the adhesive glue tabs right here, the adhesive glue tabs, because I like swapping my nails out. If I use the glue tabs, the nails can last me for like up to 3 days, and that's with me washing dishes, braiding hair, taking showers, baths, or running errands, you know, cooking, cleaning, whatever. About a good 3 days, and then I can take them off. But if I really want to take them off, I can take them off later on at night. I got a separate video that shows you how I remove my nails when wearing the adhesive glue tabs, for those who may be interested. Everything will be down in the description box below. So the next one's up is from their Jewel High Fashion Glamour nails. Again, there go that word glam, so you should already know. So this is the Jewel High Fashion Glamour nail design, and the first one's up coming from this collection has the gray. But what I really like about these gray is they're 24 in a pack, so you still get to do your nails at least twice, and they in a short stiletto length. Love that. These are definitely keyboard friendly. Okay, so you're getting some accent nails that has the faux diamonds attached to them. That's what makes this part of the Jewel Fantasy collection. You get the faux diamond studs attached to the nails. Okay, you see that right there? Gorgeous. And they're in a nice gel type high gloss finish. These are in the pink, the baby pink color, okay? And they're in a beautiful coffin shape type design, which is highly on trend, that coffin shape nails. Yes, and you're still getting the jewels attached on the nails, the faux diamond studs. Now, truth be told, if you went to your nail salon and you wanted this kind of nail, you're not going to spend too much, maybe about $75, because you're getting the gel type nails, and then you're getting the faux diamond studs on the nails. At least back when I was going to the nail salon on a regular basis, I would have probably paid about $75, $80, or maybe $100 to get this type of nail design. But honey, I only paid $10 for the pack. I'm not paying no $100 where I'm choosing to allocate my money in other places at this point, especially when these kind of nails is in my local drugstore. Child, please, I'm not doing it. Not that I can't, I'm not doing it. That's what I'm not going to do. If you want to do it, you go ahead. I'm not going to do that. I'm allocating that extra if I spent $10 on this pack of nails and it would have cost me $100 to get it done at the nail salon, that $90 that I just saved, I'm going to allocate that elsewhere. Perhaps I can pay off a different bill or get my credit card bill down. But I'm just saying, I'm not doing it. Anyway, now we up to the Halloween collection of nails. So, Halloween have since then passed, but let me tell y'all, snatch them up if you see them still in the stores. These are the Glam Fantasy limited edition Halloween nails, and they glow in the dark. At least the first two I'm going to show you glow in the dark. So it's this one right here. Now don't look at this and say, oh, I don't want it because it has the spider design and it has, you know, oh, the spider web. Take those two nails out. You still have all your nails that you can still utilize. Okay, you're getting 24 nails in the pack. You still get to do your nails at least 2 times. You're going to do your hands 2 times off this one $10 pack. For less than $5 a hand, you get a fabulous nail design. Okay, you're still getting the stiletto type shape nails, you're still getting some ombre nails, and you're still getting it in a gorgeous color. And I love the orange color too. Anyway, orange is my thing, you know. Orange is the new black. Again, with the Halloween nails, these blew my mind when I saw them. So these are in the coffin shape, and I'm loving the matte gray, that matte steel color gray look. All right, you're getting the matte gray look, and then they throwing in some marble type design. Okay, and on the marble type design you have the faux diamond studs. Okay, and you're still getting glittered nails in this pack. So you're getting 24 nails. You get to do your nails 2 times at least, and then you still have your other accent nails that you can alternate to make your own custom manicured hand look. Like I tell you, you go to your nail salon, tell them you want some matte nail polish, then tell them you want a marble nail design, then tell them, oh, add some glitter nails, then you tell them on top of all of that, add some faux diamond studs, and then you tell me how much they gonna charge you. I bet you it ain't gonna be no $10. I bet you that. I bet you your tip might be $10, but the nails is not gonna be $10. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Last part of the Halloween nails. Can't go wrong with black. These are just some plain black matte stiletto nails. Nothing special to them. They just black matte stiletto nails, and I got them because they black, and you can't go wrong with black. And who don't need black in their nail collection? So boop, that was that right there. Oh, and the other ones were in a glossy black. So these had the glossy black, and these are the matte black. But check it out, the nails are the same length, so if you wanted to, you could mix them together. I'm just saying though, you gotta get creative with these nails. Okay, gotta get creative. So the last set of nails I have to share with you all, and then this video is coming to an end, is from their masterpiece collection. The word masterpiece speaks for itself. Okay, I love this collection. I love this collection. The masterpiece collection is part of their Luxe Manicured collection. Okay, you're getting a one-of-a-kind Luxe Manicure nails. Okay, one of a kind. You're getting 30 nails in a pack. The rest of them, you're getting like 24, 28 nails. In the masterpiece collection, you're getting 30 nails. You get to do your nails 3 times. 3 times off this one pack. Okay, so for less than $3.33 a set. Okay, for $3.33 a set, if you get to do nails 3 times and the pack costs you $10, $3.33 a set of nails that's going to look like this. I am screaming right now. OMG. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Do you see this design? Do you see the faux diamond studs? Do you see the gel type finish? Do you see the matte design? Do you see the length and the coffin shape? OMG, dog. You're getting your glittered nails. You're getting matte nails. You're getting gel type finish nails. Then you're getting the glittered ombre nails, and then on top of all of that, you're getting the faux diamond studs, and then on top of that, you're getting 2 different color faux diamond studs. Look at this again. Come on now. Come through the screen with me, because go to your nail salon. You're probably going to pay about $150 because you're getting like 2 different nail polishes. Then you're getting glittered nails. Then you're getting the faux diamond studs on them. Then you're getting different sizes of the faux diamond studs. And then you're getting 2 different colors of the faux diamond studs. Come on now. Come on now. So I've showed you 13 packs of nails that I purchased. And even with me buying all these nails, for the amount of money I spent for all these nails, alright, that's 1 trip to the nail salon to get this type of nail design. 1 trip to the nail salon. So for the 1 trip to your nail salon that you will pay for the same amount of money that I paid for all these nails, I get to do my nails myself 28 different times with 28 type different designs. She's happy. She's happy. Oh, let me say this. I'm not here to bash the nail salons. No. I'm not here to do that, because that's an art, and it takes time, and it takes a great deal of patience. I don't have the time. I don't have the patience. And I'm not choosing to allocate my money into it anymore. It don't mean that they're right, you know, I'm wrong or they're right. It just means that's a preference for those who do want to go to the nail salon and do it. I have no fight with that, because I used to be up in the nail salon every 2-3 weeks getting these type of nail designs, swapping them out, dropping $100-$150 until I realized I was spending roughly about $250 a month just on my nails. And in this day and age, and now in this time, I need to allocate that money elsewhere and come out with fabulous nail design look, as if I still went to that nail salon, but I'm saving more money by doing them myself at home. So on that note, this now really does conclude the video. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. I'm gonna go and put my nails away, but I will see you in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.